Welcome to the third lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use your journey maps when you have them, and in what way your organization will benefit from the maps. And after this lesson, you will understand how the journey map will help you and your organization, and of course, the benefits with journey mapping. So, how can I use a journey map? Maybe the most obvious thing is to use it as a library for customer insights and ideas and for documentation simply. Another way to use a map is to see it as a change plan, that is a visualized change plan, and to use it as such and to get stakeholders aligned. Both on a current state visualization, but also on a future scenario, and of course to fix what's broken and identify pain points and simply solve them. Customer journey maps are excellent to identify those and to work in a structured way to solve those pain points, but also to drive innovation, find new opportunities. Excellent to work with journey maps to see that here's an opportunity, here's a hidden gem that we could try to do something of, and to find customer needs that you could solve in a much better way. And of course, to simplify the customer's journey. That's one of the reasons why we do customer journey maps, because very often the customer's journeys, they are too complex and they have just become that way. Usually disruptors, as I would say, disruptors in all industries, the new kids on the block, what they do is usually a much shorter journey. So the old players in an industry use journey maps to stay up in the competition with the new ones and to just cut down the journey map. Now you know how to use a customer journey map. It's very confusing with all the different variations of journey mapping. You have probably run into a few of them. In the next lesson, I will sort out the differences between similar methods like user journeys, experience maps, blueprints, employee maps. You will know when to do what after the next lesson. See you there.